Welcome to Leko Academy. In this video, we are going to handle biology exam questions under transpiration. Now, here the first question says, define the term transpiration. So the marks are indicated here. So this one was carrying 2 marks. So to define transpiration, so this is number 6A. Transpiration. So transpiration, this is the process by which water is lost from a plant to the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. Mainly through the openings called stomata in the leaves. So this is how you define transpiration. You give a full explanation so that you earn the 2 marks given. The other question they're saying, discuss factors that can affect the rate of transpiration. So factors that can affect the rate of transpiration, so this is number B. We have temperature, so we need to check the marks given. So here the marks given, that is 6. So we need to come up with 6 points on the factors that affect the rate of transpiration. So now, number 1, we are saying temperature. So higher temperatures increase the rate of evaporation. And thus increase transpiration. So when the rate of evaporation increases, it means the rate of transpiration, it will also increase. So this is point 1. Point 2, humidity. So humidity, this is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Now, how does it affect transpiration? So high humidity slows down transpiration. Because the air is saturated with water vapor. Meaning the air is filled with water vapor. So this is the other point. So when giving points, you explain them. The other point that can affect the rate of transpiration, that is wind speed. Now, how does wind speed affect the rate of transpiration? So wind speed, it removes the moist air around the leaf surface, increasing the rate of transpiration. Now we have 3 points. We are remaining with other 3 points again. So here we can also include light intensity. So in biology, when writing the essay, do not put the bullets. So light intensity, more light causes the stomata to open. Increasing transpiration. The other point that we can put here, the other factor, so water availability. When soil moisture is low, the plant may close its stomata. Reducing transpiration. The other factor we can include type and number of stomata. So plants with more and larger stomata transpire more than those with fewer or smaller. Or smaller stomata. So this is how we answer the questions in biology. So this is the essay format without the bullets. So this is number B. So here the question says, explain the significance of transpiration to plants. So significance is the same as the importance of transpiration in plants. So this question was carrying 4 marks. So to answer this one, we need to come up with 4 points. So this is number C. So the first point we can include cooling effect. So transpiration helps to cool the plant. By evaporative cooling. The other importance that we can include here is mineral transport. So here it aids in the upward. So in the upward movement of minerals from the roots to other parts of the plant. The other point that we can include here, water movement. So transpiration maintains, so it maintains the movement of water or the flow of water through the plant, ensuring cells remain turgid. The last point that we can include here is photosynthesis support. So transpiration helps in maintaining the water supply needed for photosynthesis. So this is how you handle questions in biology. The answers you give are determined by the marks awarded. So if the question is carrying 4 marks, make sure you give 4 points.